In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, disable this one first thanks to blue switcher. Go back, click on Add Service and download the best one for your printer. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same printing settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!